Hi, good evening, friends. Hope all of you are doing great. So, last week we had a fantastic recovery, and after touching the low of 18,830, so Nifty recovered and closed at around 18,240 250 levels. So, it was a great week, and in the World Cup, India is playing well. Today, the match is going on, India versus South Africa. Fingers are crossed for the match as well. So let's see how India will do in the World Cup and how Nifty will do in the next week. So we have to see that. Previous week, the major news flow which came was from US Fed, and Jerome Powell he told there will be rate pause, and there was some indication that rate may not be hiked in the coming times to come. And this week there will be IIP data, and there will be some quarterly results as well. So we have to take a note of that. And FIIs have reduced their selling quantity. That is the good part. And results of Hindustan Petroleum, Bell, all the PSUs that will be reported in the next week. This is the good part. On the global front, like there will be some economic data from the US, so that will also be affected. And the best part was of the previous week was the bond yield fell from more than 5 to around 4.5, and that was a nice part of previous week, which indicated that the bullish momentum will continue for the next week as well. In the previous week, our strategy, Nifty had touched a low of around 18,830 and had just recovered a little bit on Friday, and therefore on Sunday we wanted to sell 18,700 put for the coming week, and we have to hedge it by buying 18,500 put, because my anticipation was that the short term bottom was there, and the markets are heavily sold, and FII had long position of around 12%. Stop loss here was 18,700, and we have to see. So I'm sure the stop loss was not hit. Opening the Nifty daily, yeah, this is the Nifty daily chart. So Nifty, we can see this was on Friday. There was some recovery, and Nifty closed at around 19,040 levels. On Monday, Nifty opened around 19,050 and hit a low of 18,940. And on Tuesday, there was some sharp buying. Nifty closed around 19,079, and on Wednesday, and this is on Thursday. Thursday, it was a doji candle, and Nifty opened around 19,120 and closed around 19,130. Friday also there was this doji candle, which suggested that the buying and selling like both are going on, but the volume is less. That's why doji candles are being formed. So let us first analyze Nifty at a monthly level. This is the month of October, which saw great selling pressure from the level of 19. Yeah, the high was 19,850. From 19,850, Nifty went and hit a low of 18,850, like more than 1,000 points fall. So November month is looking to be a small green month. What I feel is that November month will be an insider candle, but if 19,850 crosses and Nifty touches 20,000, so this will be acting as a resistance zone. So 20,000 will be resistance for November as well. Yeah, MACD at a monthly level, that is indicating the weakness to continue at a monthly level. So at a monthly level, it is a very big factor to consider. So even if the monthly consolidation will continue, so MACD will indicate negative factor. RSI is at 62, which is comfortable. Yeah, the weekly, here in the weekly candle, the histogram has turned red, which suggested that the weakness is continuing. So it will take some time, and unless and until Nifty's weekly candle closes above this level of 19,550, and there forms a weekly candle of that, so RSI MACD will not improve very quickly. RSI has improved from the lows of 48 to now above 50. So let us note these points. More than 50, we suggest strength, some strength is back. MACD is indicating weakness, because unless there is some show of strength at a weekly time frame, MACD will not improve very quickly. So we have to see, we have to analyze for this week, and we have to see for the coming weeks. There is election time, and there will be some uncertainty, the volatility will be there. So first support 19,000 at a weekly level, second will be this one 18,800. If this breaks, then things will look bad. First resistance 19,500, second resistance will be 20,000. So Nifty has to sustain, Nifty's weekly candle has to sustain above 19,500 in order to show some meaningful bullishness. So what strategy will we take for the next week? So for the next week, I am planning this strategy, because I am expecting this bullish momentum, this pullback to continue. So I will sell 19,000 put. I am planning to sell 19,000 put of this week, 9th November, and then I will hedge it by buying 18,800 put. So here it is indicating some 2.6% for 1 week, which is very good. But tomorrow morning we have to see if Nifty opens a very big gap up, then we can wait for the Nifty to retrace back and then take this position. So easily I'm expecting more than 1%, 1.5%. My expectations are, and stop loss will be if we see Nifty 5 minutes candle below 19,050. So then I will plan to exit all this trade. So this is the strategy, this is the stop loss at a weekly level. The bullish momentum will continue for this coming week as well, which is my analysis. At a daily time frame, we can see some doji candles are there, the volumes are not up to mark. So at a daily candle, we have to see the good part is the MACD is showing some increase in strength, and RSI from the lows of 28, I think they have now reached to the levels of 44. So RSI improved from 28 to 44. We suggest strength is back at a daily level. MACD indicating reduction in weakness. So expectations are this bullish momentum to continue. That's why taking this bull put spread. But the problem will be if Nifty breaks 19,000, that will be a problem. So we have to watch out for 19,000 level in Nifty. So that will be all, friends. Thank you all.